Well, hey there. I'm Kimberly Ferguson, CEO and founder of Emerald Expectations Accounting. I'm so happy that you're here. The Emerald Corner is a place where life and business meet. So we want to share with you the process of running a business while maintaining a life with your loved ones. In today's video, we're going to be starting a series on how to become a more effective salesperson. I'm calling this a series on communication because generally speaking, if you aren't a good salesperson, it's because you're not communicating something, right? You're not communicating the value that you're bringing. You're not communicating your expertise. You're not communicating why what you're selling is the best fit for that person, etc., right? So in this particular video, we are going to start with becoming the expert. Now, this is more than just talking about your credentials, right? It's evoking a feeling of trust when you're communicating with a potential client. It's making them feel heard. It's making them feel like you know what you're doing without, listing, I can do this, I can do this, I went to this school, I did this job, whatever that looks like. So the first question that a lot of people are going to have is, how then do I position myself as the expert? So number one is I want you to really master your packages or offering. I want you to look at your packages and think, if I were having these, XYZ struggles, I would 100% pick this package. I want you to be in love with your packages. Now, I realize that that's strong language, but if you're not happy or satisfied with what you're offering, how can you really expect to sell it, okay? So let me walk you through a scenario. Which one of these do you like better, okay? Yeah, so I really like this crochet animal that I created. I think he's pretty cool and a really great value at, $25 plus tax and shipping. So can I interest you in one? I think we can do better. Check out this amazing crochet tire that I created. I'm absolutely thrilled and I'm completely in love with him. Isn't he just adorable? And the best part is that with our step-by-step instructional videos, you can totally learn how to do this yourself, and then you can share it with all your friends. And with that, it's super hard to believe that it's only $25 plus tax and shipping. You want one? Yeah, I'm pretty confident that you would rather buy from the second version, right? People can truly tell if you're being sincere. By the way, if you love these little kitties, they're called Wooples, and you can get $5 off using the link in the description below. Not sponsored, I just happen to like these. So number two is get comfortable with the pause, okay? So pausing does several things. First, it makes space for the other person to think and digest the information that you've just given them, okay? Second, it helps to eliminate filler words like and like and so. And third, other people are not comfortable with silence. So if you can be, then they will try to fill the space and the silence. And so that means they will ask questions or they'll share their concerns. And that will give you the opportunity to be the expert and answer their questions and help them resolve those concerns, right? So number three is make it about them. As much as you want to be the expert, nobody really cares about your experience. Nobody really cares about the education that you have. No one cares how long you've been in business. And I mean, don't get me wrong, people 100% want to know, like, and trust you in order to work with you. But that's much more about being personable and friendly than it is about sharing your credentials. And also being able to apply your expertise to their situation. So show them how you can help them. Don't tell them what your credentials are. You'll get a lot further with a potential client by sharing, your life and your family than you will ever get by sharing what great school you went to or what awesome degree you have. And it's probably totally awesome. Also, keep in mind, if you're doing most of the talking, you're doing it wrong, okay? Focus on the potential client. Ask them open-ended questions. Get their feedback. Get them talking. Because the more you know about their situation, the more you can apply your knowledge to their situation and display to them how you can be of help to them. A sales call really should be more like 70% the potential client and maybe 30% you, like on the high end. And number 4 is practice. Yep. Just like in all things, you get better at selling by practicing. So find yourself a trusted friend, an employee, or preferably even another business owner that you can trust to be honest with you. Create a presentation for them and then get their unedited feedback. And if you absolutely don't have anyone else to do this with, do it with yourself. Have you ever heard that you are your own worst critic? It's true, I'm sure you know. Present your sales pitch on a Zoom call with yourself and then record it. And then go back and watch the recording of your presentation. I feel confident that you'll find things to fix almost instantly, if I had to guess. And of course, you'll naturally get practice with new potential clients when you do these presentations with them. And this is a great option. It's the best way to get the practice. It's just that it hurts more if you get rejected, right? So what do you think? Which of these tips did you find most helpful? I'd love to hear more about it in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video.